welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new over here. Today we're going to be doing some deep carpet cleaning and a little bit of speed cleaning as well. This is going to be a very realistic mom life clean with me because you will see in a little bit my daughter has a bit of a meltdown, so I have to carry her around, and then later on she's jumping all over the bed. My kids are coming in and out, so it's a little bit of a hot mess, but at least it's real life, so you guys can kind of get a glimpse of how I actually clean on a day-to-day basis. So let's go ahead and get started in my room. I am just vacuuming up first, and then I will go through with the carpet cleaner, and I'm just going to be tidying up in here a little bit, not too much, nothing crazy today.
Together forever, together forever. If we stay here, we will be fine. In this room of gray and gold, something hidden and something known. But right now there are no secrets to be told. On the top of a mountainside, where the earth meets the sky.
So over the last few months, I have been testing out tons of carpet cleaners, and this one so far has been my favorite. It is so easy to use. It took me 2 seconds to put together. All you do is just fill this up with water and a little bit of the solution, and then you're good to go.
We will be together forever, together forever. If we stay here, we will be fine. All I dare to do is dream, 'cause there we will be free. Just you and me. We will be together forever, together forever. If we stay here, we will be fine. Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
So this is the guest bedroom upstairs. If you're new here, this is where I sleep every night just to kind of be closer to my kids. So this room is basically just used for me to sleep in and kind of a storage place to throw random things. So I'm gonna get this room back in order, and then I'm gonna go in with a different carpet cleaner and just kind of do a couple spots here and there.
Comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, 'cause the thing is I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh,
So this is a different carpet cleaner than the one I was using a few minutes ago, and I like to use this one for spot cleaning and getting up stains like this one. It's a small extractor tool and I love it so much for little things like this. It's so satisfying to watch. Oh my goodness, I love that. Anyway, I will make sure I have that linked down below because I don't remember the exact name off the top of my head.
Is it done? All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. found what we're looking for in life.
Okay guys, that is all for my video today. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. In a couple days I'm gonna have another one out for you guys. Okay, I will see you all soon. Bye.
We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.